Do you wish to dance? Do you feel like if it would have been very nice for you if you could dance? But even if you wish, you don't dare to do it because you feel like dance is a very difficult form of exercise which demands lot of effort, lot of rigorous practices from you. Well, I have started dancing when I was just 5 years old. I have continued my journey. Based on my experience, I feel that dance is a very pure form of meditation to help you to connect to your soul. And for that reason, even without rigorous effort and practices that are needed for a stage performance, if you feel like you are dancing for yourself, you can do it anytime, even while being seated. Yes, you can still experience the joy, purity, and excitement of dance, but being seated like the way I am. So, how to do that? Follow my episode. So we start today's session while sitting comfortably in a chair or a stool or a bench. First, we take some deep breaths slowly. So, we can do that along with moving our hands. It will be a circular movement from the belly to the up, over the head and coming down to the chest, down to the belly, and you can do it for 3 times. While you do the movements, try to focus on your movements and try to feel it within your body. How it feels within you, how it changes the feeling while transition, everything you try to feel as an independent experience. So after doing the breathing, we start moving our body slowly. We try to move almost a 360-degree turn with the body and do it to the extent it is comfortable for you. Don't try to overstretch it. You can do it with different postures of the hands as alternatives. You can take all these hands or can do whichever suits you the best. It's just that you are moving your body and preparing for the main session. Now, you extend your hands one by one at each side. You do some simple movement with the hands showing the palms. By the way, I will use some hand gestures here, and if you want to know more about the hand gestures, please go back and watch my second episode where I explicitly explained the hand gestures that we are going to use for our dance therapeutic sessions. So now I have moved from an Alapadma and Karkatamukha to a Shikhara positions. So it's basically now I am doing it with the thumbs, showing the thumbs, taking it from shoulder, rotating it to the chest. And then I am holding my index finger and thumb together and doing it from bottom to up, coming to the center one by one. Now I am again doing a combination of Alapadma and Karkatamukha diagonally. The same Alapadma and Karkatamukha in a half circle, rotating in a half circle. And with this, I stop the only hand movements here and begin the foot movements. Again, for the foot movements, I have explained these foot movements in my previous episode, episode 2. Please go back and check if you want to know in detail. So basically, we are doing the flat, the heel, the toe movements in different combination, and we are also keeping the rhythm within us. Then slowly you begin to move your body, your hands and your feet together to make a small dance piece while sitting. the session again by taking few deep breaths slowly. And this time, while you start taking the deep breaths, try to recall and try to reflect how your body felt when you did these dance steps. How you felt when you had the transition from one movement to another movement, and how you are feeling as a confident person to take these therapeutic dance sessions further for your wellness. So reflect all these observations with curiosity and an openness towards yourself. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel for getting more such videos and press the bell icon so that you get notified as soon as I upload the next video. See you till then, take care, bye bye.